What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. It's raining outside, you know what I'm saying? The power almost went off, you know what I'm saying? I had to record this stuff, you know what I'm saying? But what's up, YouTube? What's up with YouTube? Say what's up with YouTube. Don't slip. Y'all hear the thunder? Y'all hear the thunder, YouTube? Y'all hear the thunder? It's raining, it's wet, it's wet. It's a beautiful day. You look at it, look at the sky, look at the sky, look at the sky. It's raining, YouTube. It's raining, YouTube. It's raining, YouTube. Yeah. Them over there still working on the house. Looks good. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. My plants are growing. My plants are growing. It's gonna be a rose bush, YouTube. It's gonna be a rose bush. Yeah, just letting y'all know if it is raining over here. It's raining. Like nothing else in this. Nothing else in this thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Look at that big puddle over there. Look at that big puddle. Big ass puddle. Big water puddle. These times are good to go mudding, you know what I'm saying? Go big truck mudding, you know what I'm saying? Like truck mudding. Big wheels, mud tires, you know what I'm saying? This is a good time. Like that one, I'm gonna put some big mud tires on this stuff. Yeah, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? YouTube, look. It's all misty over there. Alright then, YouTube, peace out. Coming back out with another video soon, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for viewing my video, subscribing. Thank you very much. Peace out.